Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll share tips on how to use one WhatsApp account on two different smartphones. For those of you who have tried the tips in the previous video and still haven't succeeded, you can immediately try the latest tips in this video to activate the latest WhatsApp features on your smartphone. To use one WhatsApp account on several different smartphones up to a maximum of 4 phones, the way to activate it is actually quite easy. All you have to do is download the latest version of the WhatsApp application from Google Play Store. Then on your second smartphone, just open WhatsApp and click Agree and Continue button. Then click on the 3 dots option on the top right corner. Then all you have to do is select Link to Existing Account. And if on your smartphone the option Link to Existing Account has not appeared, you can immediately try these new tips in this video. First of all, here you can immediately activate the developer options features in the settings of your Samsung smartphone. To activate it, all you have to do is go to the settings, then select About Phone and select Software Information. Then here you just have to tap a few times quickly in the build number section until it shows developer mode has been turned on. Then all you have to do is go back to the main settings menu and scroll to the very bottom. Then at the very bottom, you will find a new option called Developer Options. Then here you just have to open the Developer Options and look for a setting called Minimum Width. The minimum width for the Samsung phone that we use here is 384. And this number may vary according to the screen of the Samsung smartphone that you are using. And here, just in case, you can also take a screenshot of the settings so that it will be saved on your smartphone gallery. Then after you are sure that the default number has been saved or you remember it correctly, now you can immediately change the minimum width option to a higher number. In this example, here we change the number from 384 to 500. The goal here is to make the screen appear wider with the text appearing smaller. And after changing this minimum width setting, now you can immediately open the WhatsApp application again on the secondary smartphone. And then the link a device or link to existing account feature will immediately appear on your WhatsApp application on the secondary smartphone. All you have to do now is open WhatsApp on your main smartphone, then open the settings and select Link Device option. After that, all you have to do is click the Link a Device button and scan with Face ID. And then all you have to do is scan the barcode on the secondary phone from your main phone. And now when using the WhatsApp application, you can immediately use it simultaneously for the same account on two different smartphones at the same time. For this latest feature, there are also some drawbacks that you need to pay attention to for both phones. Because there are some features that you can't use on the second phone and you can only use it on the main phone only. To check other facts about using WhatsApp account on two different smartphones for the same account, you can directly tap on the video that appears on the screen. Hopefully useful. See you in the next video.